feeding of the fish here in Hinatuan, in Chad River. Ayan na. Exactly 12. Ayan na sila. Ayan na sila. Wow, ganda. Oh, grabe. So nice. We are here in Enchanted River. Ayan, pag 12, exactly 12 noon. Mag-fish feeding with music. Ana. Ay! Mato sila ang nag-feeding. Wow! So nice! Grabe ka na ko, oh. Yan, super ganda. Kadaghan ako. Dagko kayo. So nice. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, grabe. Uy, kadagko ba? Enchanted River na to ang Surigao Sur. Sa pagka ingani lang sila maglabas. Mamaya mawala na yan sila bigla. Tomorrow na naman. Yeah, so nice, nice, nice. Maka-amaze. Dito lang yan sa Surigao Sur. Wow. 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 So nice. Tapos siya mga gagmay. Nagpakilid. Oo, badag ko na ba na sila. So nice, nice, nice. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Oh, God, ka nice. Okay, ayan, palapit-lapit eh. Nakuha, uy.
Sakaw na isa.
Oo, nakita ko, malaki. Ang laki, ayan, oo. Thank you. O yan, mawala na yan, oh.
By Modesto Fava, who wrote a poem many years ago called Rio Encantado about a local maiden he fell in love
Wala na yan
with.
sila.
It was given